Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills Estate Agents. I'm on Lightux Road, Salford M6, with a great opportunity to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a spacious, double-storey extended, 3-bedroom detached property. As you can see, it's got a driveway for off-road parking to the front. Let's take a look inside. So as we enter the property, we go into a welcoming hallway, which on your right opens up to this lovely bay-fronted lounge. Then we have this really stylish kitchen diner, added space from the extension with bi-folding doors to the rear as well. It's a really, really nice space. And it opens up to this large, mature garden to the rear, and also the detached garage. Like I say, the garden is really, really good size and benefits from a paved seating area towards the top. The property is in a great location within easy access to transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre. Benefits from being within walking distance to Salford Royal Hospital, close to good local schooling, including Lightux Primary School and several well-kept parks as well. Just round the corner from Lightux Park. As we head upstairs from the landing, you'll find 3 double bedrooms. This is the third. As you can see, a large double. Then we have the main bedroom, which is a really, really good size and benefits from a walk-in wardrobe as well. Then we have the second bedroom, which is bay fronted. And finally, a nice modern 3-piece bathroom. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.